Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage Manchurian without corn flour. First, finely chop about 2 cups of cabbage, 1/4 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of bell peppers. Next, combine these vegetables in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well to form a cohesive mixture. Now, let's form our Manchurian balls. Take small portions of the mixture and gently roll them into compact, uniform balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Heat about 2 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil reaches approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully drop the balls into the hot oil. Fry them in batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are crispy on the outside. For the delicious Manchurian sauce, start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a separate pan. Sauté 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 2 chopped green chilies until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir well. To thicken, mix 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. Add this to the sauce and cook until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the crispy fried Manchurian balls to the simmering sauce. Toss them gently to ensure they are evenly coated with that rich, flavorful sauce. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions for a vibrant finish. Serve your delicious homemade cabbage Manchurian hot, perhaps with some fried rice or noodles. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your meal!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.